Hello everyone, and welcome back. Alright, finally, I have this Master Pro Series 7045 here that I traded off with Jeff Moss, with one of my vintage Yales that had the removable core here. I traded Jeff probably at least a month ago, and well, I picked this lock out of the package, and well, come to find out, I did not have the right Allen wrench to get this lock open. I guess Master Lock wants to be a little difficult, and they put a 7/64 Allen down there. First I bought I didn't have the Allen, so I went and got me this little American set. Thought maybe it might be in there, and it was not, but I didn't know the size either. So I had to get me the larger set. Pretty much had all the Allens in it, and it has a 7/64. So, well, we're going to try to pick this lock open again for you, and this time we'll be able to gut it and see what is inside this Master Lock, because I'm thinking I'm going to make it better. It is only a 5-pin core. This is the bitting on it, though. It's got a pretty decent bitting. But I might end up trying to stick a 6-pin in there and maybe start using this lock to lock up my canoe out back. It is a pretty nice lock, pretty heavy duty. So, but we all know that they always have soft cores in them, so let's get this thing in the vise, and we'll get it picked open one more time, and hopefully when we open it up, we're not going to see a crimped core, but I got a feeling we're going to, but hopefully not. Alright, okay, we're going to go top of the keyway with this pry bar from Peterson in 40 thousandths. And I am going to be using one of my custom picks here, the short hook. It's one that I just had made yesterday. Alright, let's see what we have. Alright, pin 2. Okay, I got a little out of 2. Pin 4. Okay, I got a little turn on that core. Yeah, I think I just rubbed by it again. I might have got a little more out of 4. Okay, this is pin 2 with some counter rotation. Okay, and I'm almost about to lose my wrench. Oh, I think I just hit 3 and got a little more turn on that core. Okay, we're on pin 1, some counter. Pretty deep. Alright, lost the false set. Got it back on 3, about to lose that wrench again. Let's see what else we got. Okay, I just hit 5, got a little deeper false set. Okay, I think this might be pin 3. Maybe not. Alright, see what's holding us up here. Got some counter here off of 4. Okay, I lost a false set. And we're open on 3. We just lost it. Damn it. I lost the wrench and everything. Alright. It's a spring-loaded core. We're going to try this again, guys. See if we can get it right. Oh, no, we're still open. Alright, I think I'm turning a little too far. Here we go. We are open. Awesome. So I didn't lose it. Okay, let me zoom this back out for us, and let's see if we can get this thing gutted. That's a long screw. Alright, let me grab my pinning tray. Okay. And it is a 6-pin core, and I usually do that. And, oh, it's not a crimped core. Awesome. Alright, well, we can lock this back up. One of the first ones I have seen without a crimped core, but that's cool. Alright, let's see if we could just push this off with this. Cool. Alright. I think I'll throw a shim in it just for the heck of it. Yep, I might just throw another pin in this one now, because it is a 6-pin core, and it is not a crimped core, so that's pretty cool. Alright, you can see we're all in there. See a lot of standards here, but we're probably going to change that too. Alright, well, everything looks like it needed to be picked. Okay, let's see what we have. Standard. Standard. I believe we're just going to have all standards here below. Yep, all standards below. Oh, wait a minute. Yep, no, that's a standard too. Alright, that's good enough. And of course, nothing is done to the core. Let's see what we got upstairs. Oh, this is a greasy core. Alright, we have a spool. And wipe my hands off. Okay, a little slippery here. Okay, another spool. Might just have all spools up here. Yeah, probably gonna have all spools up top. Might throw a couple of serrated pins in here. Replace a couple of these spools. Oh, no, we do have one serrated. A poorly serrated though. Alright, I'm not going to pull the springs because I'm sure those are just all the same. But, just for the heck of it, I will let you look at these pins. Nothing special, just pretty much all standards below. And just all spools up above. And well, we do have this one very cheaply serrated pin. But yep, that was in the Master Series 7045. And thank you for trading me off there, Jeff. I appreciate that. And yeah, guys, well, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. And yeah, everyone, please be safe and stay legal. Thanks, guys. Bye.